Today I am going to show you this beautiful pattern. It's called seed drip. It's very beautiful. This is the right side, this is the wrong side. Both sides are same. We using knit and purl stitches, only knit and purl stitches. And this is the pattern we are going to do today. So first we need to knit two, 1, 2, and then purl 1, knit 3. This is the repeat pattern now. Purl 1, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. That's better. 3. And we repeat this pattern end of our row. Purl 1, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I am in the end now. End, we need to do 1 purl and 2 knit. 1 purl and 2 knit. You have 3 stitches here, and in 3 stitches we need to do purl 1 and knit 2. 1, 2. Okay, this is the row 1. I'm going to do row 2. Okay, second row we need to do first purl 1 and knit 3. 1, 2, 3. Again purl 1, knit 3. 1, 2, 3. Again purl 1, knit 3. 1, 2, 3. Last one, purl 1. I come again with more rows. After few rows, our pattern is look like this. This is the right side, this is the wrong side. It's very elegant pattern, isn't it? We are using only knit and purl stitches. So I will see you again with another beautiful pattern. Bye bye.